Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to be having a quick sneak peek at these looping seeds that I've put in the paper towel method, put in this Ziploc bag. Well, it's not Ziploc, but it is sealable. You can see in there. Let's get this out and just have a look, see how they're getting on, shall we? That's it. Come out. There we go. There's one. Oh, look at that beauty. Something to pick it up with. You can see that. Yeah, spot on that. Really nice root system on there already. See there. Yep, nice. So that's one. Let's have a look at these then, shall we? Let's see what. Oh yeah, look at them. Wow, man. Really pleased with those. Look at them there. Try to zoom in a little bit. Just get this off the top. So I don't want to get any detergent that I've cleaned the surfaces with. But yeah, so look at these, shall we? Yeah, some of them I'm going to be sending out the roots, the first true leaves soon. Yeah, so far so good. So I am really happy with these. See, just there. Yep, really nice. Yeah, everything so far so good. Just haven't got any rot yet. Just worried about. Some people use a little bit of like bleach liquid to put in the water when they do it, but I'm not that happy doing that yet. See that one there? Just about to come out of the shell, the seed shell, and the leaves are just about to come out. That's that one there. Get that one up in here. That's the top off. Yes, I've got some compost I can pot these onto when it's time. But the rest, even the small ones, start swelling up nicely, which are these tiny ones here, which I wasn't expecting much of. So I'm supposed to get about 20 seeds. I've never got 1, 2, 20, 24 I think there. So yeah, everything's going well. Just post another video in a few days when when they've grown a little bit more. I shall start potting them on. If you've got any questions about how to sow them, how to grow them using the paper towel and the Ziploc bag method, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe everybody. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing, and please keep yourself safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.